one.
And I think about tight corner. She me to one about tight corner. She meet in can make passion. You are the first gospel artist in Makagashi interview with plug in. So this is the opportunity in can be. You might not have the.
I don't think I have the capacity
to explain that.
I don't have the capacity.
Yeah, because me to me will not go feel because of you on here. And the minister say, do they charge before the performance and event?
Oh yeah.
They charge or the pastors give them an appreciation.
Two folds. Either appreciation or low charging. Me come charge or me come charge. Bola la la, watch ya Yehovah. Leji nyumo, ne yo manche, ni enakwe ni chumo elefa. Wala la la, watch ya
Yo, I never knew call Teshie plugger, no. Okay, like a Teshie plugger, every sector. When Kenya now we one here a phone call. She is one of Teshie's finest minister. Yeah, Bolly, number Jemo me. Yeah, number Jemo. Yeah, number Jemo me. Yeah, share me. Trying to get cover gospel sector for brand new boy modern war. Mo fẹ́ mo ní eye no mo jamo mi ní eji onu mo yi ní Teshie ne mbe so akeke na video ne akeke ele oblanu ni nka yo bie no mu o ja ye plug no
o fa na yo ora don wa
no mu o fa ne o ba nye o che ogbe eha mambi.
Okay, I told me Abednego Saban ama.
All right.
Yeah.
Emi ko ke ni ama ajibo e no mu e be na ke be Teshie do kan jibo why not chon shishin jogba ye Teshie ni am.
Okay, or inje ni o kan we shia.
Okay.
Yeah, Teshie.
You will never know what Teshie plugger no. Kenya bana when you mean no e be na gospel musician e lawa. In so ake she me pile le bi oton we ni wie. She Teshie no form of cron jile. Event ko mba no ni e Teshie plug. Masumo ni what try adafi. No we masumo ni bodenche no ja plugger no o try o event ni mba e adafi e ha man bi ham.
Ofana yo. Event ni ba no ji worshipers praise.
All right.
Yeah, no ji in maiden event. Now, me by my host this year,
Right.
And it's going to be a continuous program yearly.
All right.
So it's going to be program worship lunch, and then live recording service. Yeah.
Yeah, no way in your submission. Okay, this is your maiden event you are going to host this year. Okay, this year transaction. Have you hosted any subsequent events come before this year?
Yeah.
Okay, you host more events before this year. This year, this is becoming your first event.
Oh, fine.
All right, but anyame to bring to an in when you mean gospel a bomode and watch I shows a letter and can you like a number a bomode a shows near nef boatwe near boat to bar because no money a plug and you for about if I freestyle speed because when a guitar no kuno about jig being if I get she number buffo a bashami. She knew where Minister AbedSabban, you are an artist because what the gospel be aside there. Any minister, fair minister, ni abatem go Jimandre, Minister Yima, Minister Abednego. She knew what your ministry name, your ministry name.
AbedSabban Ministries.
AbedSabban Ministry. Your AbedSabban Ministry. Do you have a song to yourself in your name? I think Lala ne bodenche or recording no get bodenche Lala ne bono ni out there. Yeah,
or find a bag by Sunday ne.
Oh, this one event and you are happy now. You are going to launch your own. Okay.
Yeah, my own song.
Okay. Or compose a lot of how many songs?
Oh, Lala Jinya LP. She only my release this Sunday ne 18.
Okay.
So it's an EP.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, on the 1st of March, which is Sunday, you are releasing your EP. Okay. Okay. She no where in Kawana send the bar feel your plug. Normally a gospel sector. Many actual ministers say like a ministers jam. Some of them they don't have a composed song for themselves. I'm a minister. They prefer to sing their brothers or sisters' songs. They get about secular side. They will like like a be common jame. She nye side there la la. Ani mini oyo okay mo ye.
Well, I think I invite the minister ne obe bodenche olala. I think there's no restriction with you vacations sani be sani olala do. I mean, nyumonu chuma wochuo. Well, it is when it is within your spirit. I guess at this point in time, lala ni ba omumie sani ola. I don't think there is any fault ke ola onyemi lala. Yeah, I think for our gospel message. Yeah. So it is even an advantage for me. Ke kole mi fin lala. Ni enyemi no. Colleague minister, it's even an advantage. Exactly, so it's even an advantage for me. Okay. But there is some controversy that goes about that, I guess. Yeah. But for me, like this, I don't think there's something wrong with it. Exactly.
Because of and the minister say, do they charge before the performance and event?
Oh yeah.
They charge or the pastors give them an appreciation.
Two folds. Either appreciation or low charging. Me come charge, you can't appreciate it.
Okay, no, my people question Jack. So what was intellectual properties? Moko ni etashini e compose ilala. Ni ekole eta ekoni lewe banye latumo equally to mobu. Ni o sample amela latumo ten. No ka ta okete so mochukomi ni oka heshikani o a perform me hame. Ani o na agashi o flout the rules and regulations.
Oh no le ke na kan gbeno le no le ehin.
No, you are trying as a minister. Oh, I lie. I couldn't buy scarves. I live with all lie.
Oh, that be. Alright. It depends. It depends. For example, actually me for a worship night.
Okay.
Or something.
Okay.
Actually me worship like a worship gathering or a praise gathering or a church service.
Okay.
Normal church service.
Okay.
Ne akembala. I don't think get in wo nyumala kono tomo ekole shikpon le femi joyi adebon femi kanfo I mean ke in wono ni mi la because ekole mekomenife or I don't have the liberty to sing that song. It's within my spirit I guess ekole this is what am mi ake se mala ni ke job me. So
she bola ke ko ba secular side there onyo na onu news comment artists come call if people lala de ke mukopo efe call enyo e hale wo ni ake when you climb stage you say don't be singing the song we did together because e kole e sort it out e kala e lala a platforms no until it seek approval from the artist e poni e kele la the same lala
yeah
she like challenge say onu e come happen.
Oh yes
no ani mi you ake she ke e balala kan ona ake nyen flout rules come alone faith mo gospel side there was an action like rule say on talked about.
Well, for that one,
me too want about tight corner. She meet in make passion. You are the first gospel artist ni she interview boy. So this is the opportunity ni can be bo. You might not have the
I don't think I have the capacity
to explain that.
I don't have the capacity to explain
because
so.
Metal, a lot of 1,000. Ni alaka Jomoto have the talent ni say perform here moko event aba wo moko ni lewe gbe won kan no ni buy the same money Jomoto buy ni e ba perform here moko event ke Jomoto lala ni Jomoto ta channel cross na de keke we are supporting God's work ni intellectual property here moko ken yin yen gba mi I don't think it is right she no problem no water be she mu e problem ni ken yin me for she feel ni mu mi kwaji no Nicola you are upcoming gospel music you don't want to talk about it but me ke gospel be akeshi. It's not right. I'm a face steady. I she came with lam lala. I'm a voice out because my phone buy any. Recently, if it Esther Smith, Jomuku, ni Paradise lala stadium me. Eba out in like she na la video. Eba out eba you akeshi. Asani ake gospel artist from billion. She jeni aba wo secretary she JB ni amala lala platforms come on ni akwa audience am respondi. Ni alaka gospel be agents and na charm shows no keke me keke eti la me la se bita flache no ani they get discussion there by me
yeah
see fast forward event in the tuntu ne happen here.
Okay, so event happen here DK Annan Worship Center.
All right, DK Annan Teshie no
worship Teshie no Pentecost. Century Road there. Yeah.
Okay, or Century Road try get Koya fertilizer area.
Zongo Junction.
All right. I kept event anyway happen Minister AbedSabban ministry I'm a guy launch I'm a first EP. I happen here DK Annan Worship Center. Nji Teshie no o anyeme nyachi anye benka me. No more like an event is it free?
We find it's free. It's
free for all.
Free entry crowd.
Free entry crowd. Okay. Ni your guest artist come na mama pass through.
We find
Obano ha man be allo followers come ni ambassador ka be ba obano ha me clear few here. Artist come no feel like she ambassador ka pass through.
Okay, so mo can claim ni ma church Reverend Yosin.
Okay, Reverend
Yosin le hitmaker of Jonya me wa don't know that's so I don't know see.
Okay.
Me so massive left in Akalala. And so Reverend Yosin is on it. Philippa Jale.
All right.
Leon Teshie my name now.
Philippa Jale wa no gba la ko ni ko popular. Alo Leon la malala.
Oh, that Philippa Jale. Yeah, Philippa Jale. Yeah, Teshie. No, I mean,
upcoming.
No. He's an artist.
Okay.
He's an artist now. Yeah.
All right.
And then we have Elvis Bento. We have Eddie Praise. Yeah, Eddie Praise Yella.
Okay.
Oh,
all right.
So these are the people that.
Me time to go event about Teshie. Don't be a Ghanaian. Be real. Check real time. I mean, not give them Ghana time.
Over 4
p.m. sharp.
4 p.m.
Not for starting.
4 p.m.
Over about stream can it be?
Over about stream.
You come on here by many platform they can streaming.
AbedSabban.
AbedSabban Ministry.
On Facebook. And then YouTube.
Yeah. What about TikTok or Facebook and YouTube?
I have the platforms over there, but then where I'll be streaming them is
Facebook and YouTube. Yeah. All right, and tomorrow you're doing for event by DK Annan Worship Center, Teshie Century Road. Now, if you watch out, because I can event. Oh, no, know about who then make much follow AbedSabban Ministries here. All social media platforms. Ni streaming live. Or anyone share AbedSabban be Obasumoni. Ejegbe feel we plug no more. Ekole Obasumono last year. Osmo no bala. Olala no ba release. La lola jiko no like. Well, Jemo be plug in. I'm freestyle session to 2 minutes.
Okay. Wala la wachia Yehovah leji nyumo ne yo manche ni enakwe ni chumo elefa. Wala la wachia wala la wachia Yehovah leji nyumo ni yo manche enakwe ni chumo elefa. Wala la wachia
Yo, we are never call Teshie plug. We don't know voice me no wa emichi. She know where last question no about the plug. If it no you sang in worship mode. Often all EP no drop here. Is it all about worship and low praises here?
Often that be South Africa jam here me.
Okay.
Local high life medley here me.
Okay.
Ke worship.
Worship. Okay. Me ke fenela am piano gospel. Alonya ne gela ga.
Na kanala jenfen je me. No over release there. No.
Because me to me against am piano wa. Okay. Am piano do mo screen. One am live ni in the phone city ni me jo. Am sure sikapo.
Kashi baba.
No mo ke oye 1 2 ko no kwa fita no ni wo wie ni o hana me le program.
All right. Often mentor ni ma from ni ne mache Teshie man be fair to the worshipers praise service coming this first match. Need you ogba na ni ba na no. O fine na me fian money ka akpaso mo ya juoyi ya ye ni no owo session feel e ke ka atwa 4 o'clock ni oyigbe no ba DK Annan Worship Center ni okewo baja. All right.
Oh no me go do ba me shout out the plug me na o ja plug.
All right, so shout out to my sponsors. This is Somdi, Talemi, and Coca-Cola. They are giving me products for my guests.
Okay.
And then Nakos Relish, Leon Eha, Ehoneni, Kente Kitchen, Albi Studios, Aura Records.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, I never knew call Teshie program. They work AbedSabban. Eba. Na be okay discussion eba na be she me like Teshie program all me na me here wo me ni wo event na ya no peacefully need every day when you produce your hand Aquara mineral water Teshie ni am no chado ni am na me yo ke oto no ke for event fe tamo be ni ala na ni eba na wash ko be no o provide more bottled waters but live nyaga share be agbena we the follower the Teshie plug if social media if YouTube TikTok Instagram Snapchat if Teshie plug we game ke o to ni oye wala Teshie na ni amele to mean care we live Teshie plug no inside out I try say I feel no e charge bank inside out every weekend ni at least get your stress if you are released if you game I'm a Sunday special every Sunday active ni I'm a make sure I'm a provider with quality food I'm a server game to low light soup to near fridge me shall make sure fresh coats and I make every Sunday and I make a fresh soup in the house never buy a Teshie plug